The Ingersoll Rand 2347461 pressure switch is a sturdy, factory-style replacement that restores proper automatic control to single-stage SS3 and SS5 compressors. Its calibrated cut in and cut out settings around 100 and 135 pounds per square inch keep tank pressure in a safe, efficient working range without constant adjustment. The enclosure is built to a NEMA Type 1 standard, giving the internal contacts reliable protection for typical shop and garage environments. Installation is straightforward for anyone comfortable with compressor maintenance, and the switch body has a compact footprint that fits cleanly in place of the original unit. A manual shut-off lever on the side makes it easy to take the compressor offline quickly for service or when you do not need it running. Overall, this pressure switch is a dependable, long-lasting choice from a well-regarded industrial brand, making it a smart upgrade over generic replacements.